Good morning, and thank you for joining us. I really love the incredible energy in that opening. It represents the way we feel about California. California has always been a place with Apple TV Plus, with iPad.
With the power of A13 Bionic, a new 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with center stage, True Tone, double the storage, and the versatility of iPad OS 15 at just $329. You can order the new iPad today, and it will be available next week.
Introducing the all-new iPad mini.
iPad Air, we put it right in the new iPad mini, featuring a brilliant liquid retina display, super fast performance, new cameras front and back, center stage, 5G, support for Apple Pencil, and all new colors. Just $4.99. You can order it today, and it will be available.
Next, let's talk about Apple Watch. Apple Watch is an indispensable daily companion that keeps you connected to the people and things you care about most. It encourages you to be active and get more out of your workouts. And it monitors your health, helping you
impact of falls while riding a bike. Screen area than Series 6. And it's an even bigger jump over Series 3, with over 50% more screen area steel, as well as natural and space black titanium. Apple Watch Nike models feature a new graphic sport loop and Nike Bounce watch face. And there's a new Apple Watch Hermes Circuit H leather band with matching face, plus an elegant new Double Tour band. Largest and most advanced display ever. An Optimize U Series 3 remains at the great entry price of $199. Apple Watch SE starts at $279, and Apple Watch Series 7 starts at $399. Series 7 will be
entirely around Apple Watch, and our users love it. With 10 different workout types, from HIIT to yoga, all these new...
Today, we are thrilled to introduce our next generation of iPhone. Here it is.
Let's take a closer look at and really shows off 5 new colors. An all-new pink, blue, midnight, starlight, and product red.
15 billion 6-core CPU, 50 just 4-core GPU, enabling more eye-catching visuals and lighting effects. It delivers up to 30% faster graphics versus the leading competition. 15-core neural engine, 15-point. In addition to core performance improvements, there's a new display.
Sensor shift.
You've seen Rack Focus used in all your favorite films. It brings a whole new dimension to storytelling.
Sensor shift OIS. Fantastics will experience an hour and a half longer in their day than with iPhone 12 mini. And on iPhone 13, for iPhone 13, we have leather, silicone, and clear cases in stunning new colors and engineered to work. You can now be notified of the last known location where your wallet, battery life, 5G, and so much more. With all this, iPhone is loaded with new technologies, just $699, and adding a new 512.
Our Pro lineup pushes the limits with our most advanced technologies for our users who want the very best iPhone. Best-in-class performance, best-in-class camera experience, great durability, larger displays, and incredible design. This year,
Apple Custom Finish striking finishes, a rich, deep graphite, gorgeous gold, beautiful silver, and this all-new Sierra Blue Bionic. As you heard from Hope, A15 Bionic features a CPU with 2 new high-performance cores. With our latest technology, this ProMotion display can refresh from as low as 10 Hz to as high as 120 Hz. ProMotion is designed to respond dynamically and match your content. The advanced custom architecture produces fast frame rates when you need them and preserves battery life when you don't. We also optimize iOS to take. Now let's talk about the all-new
mm telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, a new ultra-wide camera, with autofocus and a larger f1.8 aperture with a 92% improvement in low light, and a new wide camera that has a macro photography. Macro photography typically uses a special lens that can focus at close distances. The new ultra-wide lens design and autofocus system enable incredibly sharp focus and can magnify subjects with a minimum distance of 2 centimeters. So you can get detailed close-ups, like of this beautiful red daisy, the cells in this leaf, or the water droplets on this mushroom.
And that's ProRes video. More than 1.5 hours longer in your day than iPhone 12 Pro. And iPhone 13 Pro Max will last more than 2.5 hours longer than iPhone 12 Pro Max. Camera system with 3 new cameras, ProRes video, iPhone 13 Pro still starts at $990. 1 terabyte storage option. This is a great addition for our Pro iPhone users. The 1 terabyte joins our 128, 256, and 512 gigabyte storage options. You can pre-order all 4 new models of iPhone 13 family this Friday, September 17th, and they will all be available on September 24th. So here's our new iPhone